Ever wondered how to maintain a healthy diet despite a busy schedule? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, juggling professional commitments, personal responsibilities, and self-care can feel like an uphill battle. But here's some good news. You don't have to compromise on nutrition just because life gets busy. Welcome to GYMblazers TV, where today we're going to share some practical and easy-to-implement healthy eating hacks specifically designed for those with a bustling lifestyle. These tips will not only help you maintain a balanced diet, but also ensure that you're fueled and ready to take on the day, every day. So whether you're a busy parent, a career-driven professional, or simply someone who's always on the go, this video is for you. Now let's dive into the first hack, meal prep. Make time work for you with meal prep. Imagine this. It's a bustling Monday morning. You've got 1,000 tasks on your to-do list. But here's the kicker. Your lunch and dinner are already sorted. How, you ask? The answer is meal prep. By dedicating a few hours on the weekend to whipping up a storm in your kitchen, you can have a week's worth of nutritious and delicious meals at your fingertips. It's as simple as chopping up a rainbow of vegetables, grilling lean proteins, and cooking hearty grains in bulk. Then divide them into containers for each day of the week. Voila! Your meals are ready to go. Not only will this save you time during the week, but it also takes the guesswork out of eating healthily. Because when you're busy, it's easy to reach for the quickest, not necessarily the healthiest option. With meal prep, you're setting yourself up for a week of success. A well-stocked pantry is your secret weapon. Imagine you've just returned home after a long day, your stomach is growling but you're too tired to cook anything elaborate. What do? You turn to your pantry. Keeping your pantry stocked with nutritious staples is a game changer. It's all about choosing items that are not only healthy but also versatile. You'll want to have whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or oats. These provide essential fiber and will serve as a base for countless meals. Canned beans, lentils, or chickpeas are also a must. They're rich in protein and can be added to soups, salads, or stews for a hearty boost. Don't forget about low-sodium soups either. They're perfect for those days when you need a quick and easy meal. Throw in some nuts and seeds for extra crunch and nutrition, and you're good to go. With a pantry full of nutritious staples, you'll never be caught off guard. Keep your energy levels high with nutritious snacks and power-packed smoothies. When the hustle and bustle of life starts to drain you, it's crucial to have something that can recharge your batteries. That's where our third hack, healthy snacks on the go, comes into play. Instead of reaching for those sugar-loaded cookies or sodium-filled chips, why not opt for portable snacks loaded with nutrients? Fresh fruits, nuts, and veggie sticks are not only delicious, but also incredibly convenient. They're small enough to fit in your bag, and their natural sugars provide a steady stream of energy to keep you going. Now let's talk about smoothies, our fourth hack. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. They're quick, easy, and endlessly customizable. You can toss in your favorite fruits, sneak in some greens, add a scoop of protein powder, or even sprinkle in some chia seeds for that extra boost. The best part? You can prep the ingredients the night before. Just pop them in the fridge and come morning, all you have to do is blend and go. It's a nutritious breakfast or snack that you can enjoy on the fly. Just imagine, you're in the middle of a busy day, and you feel your energy levels starting to dip. Instead of reaching for that candy bar, you pull out a bag of mixed nuts and dried fruit. Or you feel your stomach start to rumble, but instead of skipping breakfast, you blend up a delicious smoothie. You've not only satisfied your hunger but also nourished your body with essential nutrients. So there you have it, 2 more hacks to help you stay healthy amidst a busy schedule. Armed with healthy snacks and smoothies, you're ready to tackle any day. Remember, the goal is not just about making it through the day, but doing so in a way that fuels your body and supports your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, healthy recipes, and lifestyle inspiration. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep blazing. Scene script. Elevate your meals with smart substitutions and mindful eating. Food is more than just fuel. It's a chance to nourish your body and mind. That's why Hack 5 is all about smart substitutions. It's about finding healthier alternatives for your favorite dishes. For example, try swapping out white rice for quinoa. It's a simple switch that packs a nutritional punch, adding protein and fiber to your meals. Or how about substituting pasta with Zoodle's zucchini noodles? They're a fun, low-carb alternative that can satisfy your craving for a hearty pasta dish. And let's not forget about dessert. Instead of reaching for that sugary treat, consider satisfying your sweet tooth with naturally sweet treats like a fresh fruit salad or a dollop of Greek yogurt. These small changes can make a big difference over time, helping you maintain a balanced diet without feeling deprived. But healthy eating doesn't stop at what's on your plate. How you eat is just as important. That brings us to hack 6, eat mindfully. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to eat on the go, in front of the TV or while scrolling through social media. But taking the time to sit down, turn off distractions, and truly savor your food can transform your eating habits. When you eat mindfully, you pay attention to the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. You're more in tune with your hunger and fullness cues, which can help prevent overeating. Plus, mindful eating can improve digestion, reduce stress, and make your meals more enjoyable. So next time you sit down for a meal, remember these hacks. Opt for smart substitutions that boost the nutritional value of your dishes, and take the time to eat mindfully, appreciating every bite. Remember, every bite counts. Make it a healthy one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, healthy recipes, and lifestyle inspiration. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep blazing. Now you're equipped with some effective hacks for healthy eating. Remember investing a little time in meal prep, stocking your pantry with nutritious staples, choosing healthy snacks, embracing the power of smoothies, making smart substitutions, and eating mindfully can make a world of difference in your health and well-being. You don't have to sacrifice nutrition for convenience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, healthy recipes, and lifestyle inspiration. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep blazing.